Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can add the stop loss and take profit on Exness. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open Exness, then go choose sell or buy. So let's choose for example sell, and we have here take profit and we have here stop loss. So click on take profit like this, and you can place your take profit wherever you want. For example here. Okay, or you can add a specific price here. Okay, you can change this one if you want. So let's say for example 04820, like this, as you can see. Also for the stop loss, the same thing. You can add your stop loss for example here, or you can change it to a specific number. For example 0502, 0502, as you can see, and click on confirm sell like this. Now, let's say, for example, you already have an open position and you want to add the stop loss and the take profit. So let's open another one, for example, sell, or let's choose, for example, buy this time. Now, click on confirm. So you already have an open position. All you have to do is go here to bottom left, click on it, and this is your position, as you can see. Now, we have here take profit, TP, click on add, and you can add your take profit. Okay, the same thing. So let's say you want to add your take profit here, and for the stop loss you can click on add stop loss, and you can choose the place, for example here. Okay, and after you finish, just click on modify order, as you can see. Now if we go to open, as you can see, we have here take profit and we have here stop loss. We have here 5 pips as a stop loss, and we have here 7 pips as take profit. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.